The International Criminal Court and arrest warrants for Netanyahu and Gallant. The International Criminal Court, ICC, has issued arrest warrants for Benjamin Netanyahu and Yoav Gallant on serious charges, including deliberate starvation of civilians, illegal blockades, targeting women and children, and the use of banned white phosphorus bombs. This decision was made at the request of the court's prosecutor, Karim Assad Ahmad Khan. Khan, a Muslim prosecutor with British citizenship, successfully persuaded two judges in the case to issue the arrest warrants. These warrants restrict Netanyahu and Gallant from traveling to any of the 124 ICC member states, as they could face arrest in these countries. The ICC, composed of 18 judges from various nations, has issued only 59 similar warrants in its 26-year history. The question now is how justice will unfold regarding the crimes in Gaza and whether this ruling will have a tangible impact on Israeli policies. Implications of the arrest warrant. Key questions now arise. Or will Netanyahu be arrested? Or will European military aid to Israel be halted? Or will the U.S. stance toward Israel change? Despite the issuance of the warrants, it seems likely that European arms shipments to Israel will continue. Although the ICC views such arms transfers as aiding war crimes and genocide, history shows that Western nations often prioritize their interests over international law, undermining international mechanisms, and its consequences. Disregard for international institutions like the ICC has led to their declining credibility. For instance, the ICC also issued an arrest warrant for Vladimir Putin, but many countries have not enforced it. Such Western double standards have deepened mistrust among nations like China, Russia, and members of the Global South. The Global South, comprising Asian, African, and Latin American countries, now plays a significant role in reshaping the international system. Once labeled the Third World, these nations are building alliances like BRICS and bilateral trade agreements to resist Western dominance. Multilateralism versus unipolarity. One of the most critical messages from the ICC's ruling is that the world is no longer unipolar. The Global South is standing firm against Western threats, demanding an end to U.S. and allied hegemony. For example, Saudi Arabia, once a key U.S. ally, is now balancing relations between East and West. Saudi collaborations with China and other Eastern nations highlight the diminishing influence of the West in the region. The future of Palestine and Israel. One possible outcome of these developments is progress toward establishing a Palestinian state. The Global South supports this goal and has resisted U.S. and Israeli pressures. Notably, the recent meeting of Palestinian factions in China aimed at uniting leadership for the creation of a Palestinian state has intensified pressure on Israel. At the same time, Israel's crimes in Gaza and its use of banned weapons have led to growing isolation, casting doubt on its future. The arrest warrants for Netanyahu and Gallant are just the beginning. These rulings signify significant shifts in the international system and a move toward multilateralism. While Israel and its allies attempt to mitigate the impact of these decisions, it appears that global alliances against oppression and injustice are stronger than ever. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't miss the upcoming videos, which will discuss the fall of Israel from the perspective of the Quran and Hadiths. I'd really appreciate your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Also, please share your thoughts about the video in the comments below.